Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to make your electrical work just look a little more professional, check out this kit from SupSuspen. Now this will take you through 3 different stages. You're able to strip your wire, twist them together, and put your caps on. So this is a super simple kit to use. You attach it to your drill. It comes with 5 different sizes for the most common wire gauges. You find the one that fits and attach it on, feed your wire into the end, and it will strip it for you. You can easily adjust how much of the wire you want stripped. The next attachment will twist your wires together. This is such a time saver. We love this feature. And then finally, you can put your caps on with this attachment. If you struggle with having things stay together, this makes such a solid bond. We're so pleased with it. As home DIYers, there's always some maintenance work to do, and we are not professionals. So having a kit like this to make our work just a little more polished is a big lifesaver for us, and that's my point of view.